Hello everyone, my name is Fidel Omar, and I'm going to be your math instructor this semester at South Texas College. You can call me Fidel, you can call me Omar, you can call me Mr. Rodriguez. When I sign my messages, I'm always going to sign them off as Omar Rodriguez, so if your concern is why am I registered for a class that says Fidel, but I'm getting a message from name Omar, that's just my middle name, that's what I go by. A couple of things I wanted to talk to you all about. Number one, I hope that you guys and your families are safe and healthy in this global pandemic. Please take all precautions to stay safe, stay healthy, wear a mask, wash your hands, keep the social distancing thing going on. But a couple of things I want to talk to you all about. In our Blackboard page, there's going to be a link that's going to say welcome, and it's going to have some information there, and my syllabus is going to be in there. Guys, make sure you read the syllabus. All the important information about our class is going to be in there. There should be another folder that's going to say weekly activities. So right now for our classes, everything for the first 2 weeks is going to be set up already. So go ahead and click on week 1, read what you got to do in there. There's a couple things I want to mention in the week 1 folder. Number 1, sign up for Remind. Remind is a messaging service, guys, that it allows us to text each other or me to send you a message. You can get it on your phone. And it keeps everybody's phone numbers private, okay? So make sure you download it. There's going to be a class code. I put it there in the weekly folder, so you'll have that class code there. Another thing I wanted to mention, the course notes for our class are going to be in there. So they're in a PDF file. Download the original file. You don't need necessarily to print it out. You can just save it, on your computer somewhere. Just make sure you know where you saved it. And those are the notes for this semester. The third thing, guys, I have created my own videos for you guys, and I uploaded them to YouTube, and I have a playlist for each of my individual classes. So in the weekly folders, you should see, here's the link for our playlist. Those are the videos that correspond directly to the notes, guys. So you can watch the videos, follow along with your notes, fill out the notes. You're doing the same problems I'm doing. Let's see, number 4, there's going to be instructions on creating a Mymathlab and mastering account. That used to be called Mymathlab. I still call it Mymathlab. That's the homework system we're going to be using. It is required for this class, guys, so everybody does need to get the Mymathlab account. There's some instructions there, and if you're on our main page in Blackboard, there should be a link that says MyLab and Mastering. You'll click on that. You'll create your account. Use the email address, guys, that you typically check, your Yahoo or your Gmail, whatever account. You can put your STC account, but if you never check that email, you might want to put the one that you normally check. Let's see. Once you create the account, once you finish creating your account, guys, at the bottom, it's going to give you some options to pay. You can either pay for an 18-week subscription, you can pay for a 2-year subscription, or at the very bottom, there should be an option of getting the account for free for the first 14 days. I'm going to recommend do the free account for right now. I mean, if you want to pay for it, go ahead, but do the free account. Once you set up the free account, you can go ahead and get started. The assignments are going to be there. And those assignments, guys, correspond directly to the notes and directly to the videos that I made. Now, when it does come to time for paying, the question people always ask is, should I pay for the 18-week option or should I pay for the 2-year option? That's going to be a personal decision. If you feel like you're strong in math and you can you're going to pass this semester, you can do it, then the 18-week option is a great option for you to go with. If you're a little concerned and you're thinking, I don't know if I can get through this course the first time I take it, then I would recommend going with the 2-year option, because in the case that you do have to repeat the course again, you'll already have your Mymathlab account for that particular textbook, okay? So I hope that clarifies that information. Let's see. Also on the main page, guys, there is a link for my contact information. I created a Google phone number so you guys can call me. My email address is going to be there. My office hours are going to be there. And then again, the class code for our Remind will be there as well, okay? Guys, I'm happy to help you with anything that you all have. One thing I want to mention, in the fall when we were doing the same thing, my students would message me on Remind, sir, can you help me with this particular problem? And they would take their phone and they would take a picture of the problem and they would send it to me on Remind. What I do at that point is I make a video of me working out the problem and I talk you all through the process. And then I upload it to YouTube and I send it to the entire class. And I send it to the entire class with a message, everyone, one of our classmates had a particular question. Here's a video of the solution. And this way, everybody gets an opportunity to see that particular question that somebody asked. I don't go and I don't say, Melinda asked me this question or Joe asked me this question. I just say somebody asked me this question, okay? But I encourage you guys to do that, okay? Ask me as many questions as you have. Ask me more. I'm happy to make those videos. I'm happy to send them out. And I think it's really, really useful, okay? So anyway, just wanted to mention that. Guys, if there's anything you need from me, I want you to let me know that I'm here for you guys. I want y'all to do really well this semester in this class that you're taking. And more importantly, guys, I want y'all to stay safe, okay? So anyway, take care. If there's anything you need from me, let me know. I'm happy to help.